Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's Shabam Brit, and we are here to keep watching Chainsaw Man. I am very excited to watch this episode. We're on episode 6. We have like 2 new characters that have joined the show, right? We've got that guy and that girl who's super nervous. I'm pretty excited about her. She seems super cute. I want to see what her power is, like what her ability is. Yeah, and this creepy hotel that they're in. Yeah, I'm excited. So let's go ahead and get this episode going of Chainsaw Man. Shabam. Oh, right back in it. Oh, oh God. She's terrified. What? What's up with that? Oh goodness. What the? Oh gosh. Oh crap. He's laying under the covers.
パワーがさっきの悪魔これからじゃねえのか。閉じ込める力を死んだんだ。その悪魔が悪い。ルナが殺せと言ったんだ。言ってね。悪魔が死ねば解除さから全くがなくなりました。
としてくる悪魔、初めてだね。
俺たちがここからず。
スターが私たちみたいにはめられないことを祈るしかないね。お腹ペコペコ出ちゃうんだ。
キョレ、デビルハンター役に行かせたいんだろ。
無理やりなんです。なんです。風俗かデビルしか選択肢なかった。私も学に行きたくない。悪魔は恐怖が大好物だ。アキくんまでどうしたの？
部屋の時計分です。どの部屋の時計も。すげえ。じゃあ寝放題じゃねえ。
Denji!
バカか貴様は。
What the fuck?
俺たちはここで部屋を知らないんだぞ。分かったら起こして。寝なきゃさ。
Oh my god!
悪魔に感謝して。
Oh my god! I hope they deliver this now! Is he really asleep right now?
ネット。
He's actually asleep! Oh my god.
デンジ君。
Oh, Denji.
空起き。
Look at the drool!
8階から出るようになったんすか。
多分は宿泊客が置いていった荷物にアキ君はずーっと開ける。少しは休んだらって言って部屋に閉じこもってる。
Dang.
ごめん、それでなんだけど。
わしだからノーベル賞を考えておった。人間はわしにひれので。
What?
その後はノーベル賞を踏み台に人間が苦しんでる姿が
What?
あるからの。手波動費税は 100% だ。
いつもですね。
ならよかった。
She's always like that. What a goober. Dang, you guys.
うぬは落ち着いてた。
今アキ君が私はユック君にタバコの味を教えたの。私だもん。アキ君は吸わないの？
だから吸わない。
入れた方がいいよ。
誰ともなれ合う。
なんだから吸っちゃえばいいのに。
That's kind of what I was thinking.
俺はかもしれない。
そうしてね。バディが面倒だからさ。バディの遺族とかとトラブルになるのはよくある。
殴った役にこっそりガムつけてやった。やり返すべきだ。だからやり返した。ざまあみろ。
Oh.
そういやし
そりゃいいか。ないならもらうぞ。
一本あげる。
根が腐るから吸わない。
あ
一本だけ吸ってやる。一生で吸うた。この一本だけだ。
Oh yeah.
ラーメン。
じゃあ、これくださいよ。キスだ。関節キスがある。
Oh no.
俺たち殺した低くなってる。
確かにわしが殺したは
What
ず
the
じゃ。
fuck?
出るから出られ見たこともない形状。悪魔だ。
愚かな人間たちを契約を更新。そこの電池と家を私に食わせろ。私に食わせろ。
What?
そうした電池に外無事に返す。
What? No, don't you dare.
エンジ食わせろ。
Girl. Dang.
いるんじゃない？
コン。やっぱり狐なんで。
Dang.
ここは外と断じられてるんだ。
狐の体は京都。じゃ私のゴーストでやるか。
これは私の本に私の心臓はない無弱点は8回にはない私と契約する以外生きては帰れない
はっ、どうせ俺を殺してもさねえくせによ。
死ぬ。だからデンジ君を殺せば出られるのは本当だよ。
そいつは殺す。
Oh my god. Of course those two say it.
外に出た後にこう寝ればいい。その悪魔の契約を受けるべきです。悪
Damn.
魔はデンジを殺しての死が悪魔側のリーダーあるんだろう。
Uh-huh. True
だから
that,
契
bro.
約は受けない。
じゃ
I
あ
love the
私は
logic. Also, come on, it's
わ
Denji.
しは殺す派じゃ。
Power?
章を思いつければ発表できないからな。ノーベルのために死んどくれ。
魔人と悪魔の契約を結べない。だからお前がデンジを殺し。
暇だからどうするか。
すぐ俺を殺
What a little shit.
だけどこのままじゃ餓死しちゃうぞ。
たら刀を使います。
それはダメ。
刀使い決できんならよ。使えばいいじゃん。
花は使わない。
Why?
気は悪いけど。
ない。ベッドに置いた食料が。
Oh my god, Power.
さまら。
じゃない。デンジが食べた。
Oh my god.
バレる嘘。
そのまじないんだ。
What?
違うが。
落ち着けじゃん。こいつは血のま。
かばうの。私たちなんかなのに。アライ君はなんだ。スパイだったんだ。
酸っぱいじゃ。
仲間なんかじゃ。
Gosh.
姫。
先輩。
It's growing. Here goes. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my gosh. What the?
いよいよまずいですよ。悪魔に殺しましょう。
Damn.
刀を使う。姫野先輩。姫野さん。おいあんた何してんだ。
その勝てるだろうけど。使うと契約で。デンジ君。
触んな。
What? I can't believe he did that.
確かにそう殺そうとしている。俺一人じゃ血を殺せないんだ。奴はデビルハンターが血は殺させない。
パワー、お前血の魔人なんだろ。
うちは難儀じゃが。
Come on, Power, you can do it.
ちょんまげが死んだら飯を人間がいなくなるからな。どうしよう。私のせいじゃない。あなたのせいだから。あなたのに。
でも俺もったらよ。チュー、まだ忘れてねえからな。
勝さんだのか。
クソ痛えけど。
シエソ。
あの悪魔、なんだか知らってやがる。だから自分じゃ俺を殺すよう言ってんだ。
I mean, yes, that makes sense.
それに攻撃を受けた時痛いって言ってやがった。
It was.
だったら逃げて自殺させりゃいい。
悪魔みたいな発想じゃ
A very devilish idea indeed. Oh my god.
俺をかばいや余計なことすんじゃねえよ。クソがうんのもううんざりなんだよ。外出れたら貸すからな。
What? Oh my god, that's the end of the episode? Shit. Okay, this is super, super fun. So pretty. Again with the eternity theme. I love the colors. The color scheme is super pretty. Yeah. Like this is a hint of what's coming. No, punch that. Oh man, guys, that was an intense episode. That was extremely intense. First, let's talk about that outro. Okay. It was really pretty. I don't know why I wasn't expecting it to be so I don't know, like fun and almost like happy-go-lucky vibes. It was really cool. I liked it, and of course it still had that the never-ending staircases, that theme of eternity. It was the eternity demon, so that's what they're fighting right now. Yeah, that was cool. And then at the end there were those like multiple picture frames. Those were still shots, and it just kept going backwards in time, it seemed like. And the very last picture that we saw was Makima hugging Denji in the very first episode. That was kind of a cool touch. And then we kept seeing the bullet reappearing throughout that, which, you know, makes me wonder what the gun devil has to do with this episode, with the eternity devil. You know what I mean? I feel like there has to be a connection. Like, maybe I'm wrong, but that's just kind of the vibe I got from that. And the end, I love the color scheme at the end when it showed Denji transforming into Chainsaw Man. I feel like that's what's happening next episode. I mean, it has to, right? He just jumped in that freaking pit of an eternity demon. So yeah, he's turning into that, but I don't know, that was cool. Like, that was a nice little prequel for us. But I don't know, I guess the fun vibe isn't super surprising since I did laugh a lot during the episode, right? Power going after the Nobel Prize was pretty funny. And just Denji's reactions to a lot of things were pretty humorous. So I think being able to find the humor in that episode was kind of more so what that outro was about. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't know. That was cool. I liked that one. It was really fun. Now, the episode itself, guys, I was not expecting everyone to just flip on Denji like that and be like, yeah, let's kill him. What? And then freaking Ghost Hand chick literally is so against Aki using his sword, and I mean, obviously I get why, it shaves off years of his life, but she put him in like a stranglehold basically, and he still managed to like wriggle out of it and block Denji. I mean, his reasoning makes sense. I guess I do get it, but it was still touching, you know? And the nervous girl, shit. I still didn't catch still didn't remember her name, but oh my gosh. Her story was, first of all, sad. Really sad. Kind of tragic, to be honest. When she was like, I wanted to go to college too. I was like, oh, girl, sorry. But she just lost her. And Arai, he did too. Pretty much did too. Crazy. I don't even know. Like that was shocking for me. I wasn't expecting that. And then, but like I mentioned, I thoroughly enjoyed Power and Denji's like just fucking get attitude, right? Like Denji and that the first couple of minutes of the episode when he's literally lying, he got under the covers and took a nap. I loved that. That was awesome. And then Power is just freaking walking around going off on how she's going to become a Nobel Prize winner and become, what, the Prime Minister or something? Oh, but she was also on board to kill Denji? What? Little booger. But yeah, their flamboyance throughout the episode just really made that enjoyable for me. I like that a lot. And then the fucking devil though? Damn. Okay, first of all, Eternity Devil. Insane. Insane. I love that a non-tangible, like a not a physical object is a devil. I was wondering about that. If things like eternity or like loneliness or like the fear of being alone or the fear of the dark. So like, I don't know, now that I know that an eternity devil is real, now I'm even more so like, oh, I bet these things, the fear of the unknown, that's a thing. What? I don't know. Now, like, the realm of possibilities of devils seems much more broad. That's kind of cool too. I like that. I think the concept is dope. I'm excited even more so now for future devils. Yeah, one other thing though that I thought was kind of interesting was how Power was saving Aki. Right? She's like, well, I'd have to find a new cook if Top Knot died. It's a silly reason, right? To save his life. But I think, like, did you notice Himeno like fell to her knees when she saw that? She was like shocked. I kind of think, I don't know, she was also having flashbacks to seeing all those graves. I think she was scared for a second that maybe she had flashbacks of her like her partner dying. She had that fear. But also I think it was maybe because she was like kind of shocked that a devil, a fiend, part devil, would save a human, would use their ability, the blood fiend, to stop his blood. He's bleeding. Yeah, I think she was kind of taken aback by that. But yeah, I guess we'll find out hopefully maybe a little bit more next episode. But I thought that was an interesting fact point. But holy crap, let me say, I am beyond stoked for the next episode. You know, the next episode is going to be so action-packed. Like, you know it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see Denji destroy this devil. I hope he does. Also, why is this devil why does he want to kill Denji? Why does he want to kill the chainsaw? He said, I'll be the one to kill the chainsaw. Why? Did the gun devil like put out a hit or some shit on Denji? But why would he do that? I don't know. I have lots of questions. But I'll tell you what, next episode is gonna be so lit. I am so freaking hyped for the next one. It's gonna be dope. I'm pretty excited. I can't wait. I mean, I have to wait, but I wish I didn't. So yeah, that's gonna be really cool. It's gonna be pretty dope. And it literally, like, watching Denji go fall all the way, like all the way. First looks like he's falling down like the building, right? And then into his stomach. And then it starts to look like, where the fuck is he going? Like, I think it's gonna be intense. I'm pretty excited. So hopefully I will see you guys at the next episode. Oh, also, before I end, I wanted to take a moment and say thank you, everyone who has thank you everyone who has subbed. We reached 2,000 subs, so I'm really excited and I'm pretty grateful. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate you all being here. So thanks. But yeah, so hopefully I will see you guys all next week at the next episode of Chainsaw Man, episode 7. Can't wait. Be sure to like and subscribe if you want to get alerted when I put out my next video. But yeah, until then, I hope you guys have a stellar day, a fantastic night, and an awesome rest of your week. And until I see you again, goodbye. Shaman.